Hey guys, what's happening? How to access TikTok in the US after the ban. No VPN required. You can use your browser to log in to TikTok, right? And that way you're gonna be able to see the newest update, right? Let me stop this. Okay. And as of February 14th, 2025, TikTok has been reinstated on the App Store and Google Play Store in the US. This follows a temporary removal due to legal concerns, but the app is now available for download again. You can go ahead and access the App Store, Google Play, and type TikTok, and you're gonna be able to find it right here. Okay, if you have previously deleted TikTok or are setting up a new device, you can now download the app directly from your device's app store without the need for VPN or other workarounds. Please note that the situation regarding TikTok's availability in the US has been evolving. It's advisable to stay updated with the official news sources for the latest information. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and catch you in the next time.